Hi everyone, let's see how we can quickly update field properties on a BreezyBit form or a survey. So I have a send a request form that I created in my org here, and I want to change the field properties. So to do that, you just need to click on one of the fields that you want to change the properties for. So let's say the customer code. If I click on this on the right side under the settings, you will see that field properties will open up, and here you will see many different settings. First of all, for example, field label. This is what I have in the backend for this field. This is the field label, but I want to change this. I want to make this, let's say, just a code. So if I want to make that, I can do it easily. And if I want to somehow give a default value to this code, for example, I can do that too easily. And this is what the customers are going to be seeing when they open up the form. Or if I want to enter a placeholder text, I just want to say enter the code, right? So I will see the placeholder there right away. Or if I want to add a help text, so this code is for something, right? So it will add the help text, help icon right there on the form, right next to the field. Or if I want to change the field width, so this is a one column form right now. If I want to change the field width for this one, I can make it, and the default value is, I believe, 12. So I can make this, let's say, 6. For some reason, I want to change it. I can do it 6, 8, 4, whatever I want. I can change the field width easily and really quickly for individual fields on the form. Or if I want to make this field, for example, I change this to 6. And right now, if I want to add another field here on the form, and I want this 6 as well, so they can be on the same row, right? But for some reason, if I want this, let's say, for example, case origin just on one row, I can just select display field in single row, and the users are not going to be able to, adding another field right next to it on the form. So, or we have is read-only field. For some reason, you want to show them the field maybe with a default value, but you don't want to be able to make any changes. You can make it is read-only, so it's going to be a read-only field on this form. Or if this is not a required field, for example, let's say, first name is not required in the backend, but if you want to make it a required field, you can select the required field option here too. So these are all the basic settings that you can actually change, edit on a field. Other than this, there are more, complex or advanced settings as well, right? Is required field or visibility filter. Or for pick list, there are different settings as well. You can configure dependencies or other things, or for lookup filters, you can set up lookup filters too. They're all happening under the field properties. For this video, I just wanted to show you how you can change the basic, the fundamental settings actually for fields under the settings under field properties. This is how you do it. In other videos, I'm going to talk about how you can set is required filter or visibility filters, lookup filters, or different things you can do with picklist fields too. But I hope this helps and shows you how you can change field properties easily by just clicking on any field on the form or survey and make those changes on the right side here. It also gives you, of course, tells you what is the API name for this field, which object this is connected to, what is the type of it, what is the length of this, maximum length, for example. It shows you all of those details too to make things easier for you. So, but this is the field properties and how you can edit those. So thank you so much. See you on the next video.